Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Valentine's gel set. Excuse the nails. I'm in desperate need to do my nails. I just haven't been bothered to. I also damaged my thumbnail. So I don't want you to see that, hence the plaster. Anyway, so I have these almond shape. I've forgotten what it was called then. I'm only going to do 4 nails. So I have pulled out this beautiful pink from Beetles, which is 51. Also white, 49. I'm going to be using my foil gel from Nao, and then I have this beautiful foil that I bought from eBay. It's in one of my hauls that I've just done recently, so I thought that would look cute. Looking at that now, I'm not sure. Let me see if I can find a different pink, because I'm not sure that's going to go, so give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, this pink is, I think, a bit too bright. So I have this again from Beetles 128, which is still, that's not the same. I'm just going to roll this one, 128. Okay, so I'm going to paint these 2 pink, these white, and then use the foil, I think. Yeah, let's do that. Right, I'm going to pop these in the lamp. I'll do a second coat off camera, and then, yeah. So I've done 2 coats. The annoying thing about doing gel polish is that you always get like them fuzzy bits, and it's so annoying because I'll wipe it down with alcohol, and yet I've still got bloody fuzzy bits. Even on that, I find it really annoying. But anyway, we move on. They're the wrong way around because I wanted the white ones. That's it. That's better. I love that pink. It's really, really pretty. Right, so now I am going to use the foil gel that I got from good old Nao. I used to love Nao. I used to always buy from them. But since I got introduced to Annabelle, glitter bells, I use that because it works out so much cheaper like the small pots, I don't know the size, maybe 12, is it 12 gram? They're almost $5.50. But then the Annabelle, I think, is 20. Oh, there's one there. Does it say? 28 grams for under a tenner. So it makes sense to buy that. I wasn't really concentrating then, so let's go back over. Right. Do you know, I'm so happy that it snowed, because I love snow from the window. I don't go out in it. I think it's so beautiful. I'm going to be sad when it melts away. Right, I'm going to pop these in the lamp. I don't know if you do it for 30 seconds or a minute. Let's read. Thin coat now. Cure for 30 seconds. Right, so I'm going to pop these in the lamp for 30 seconds and I will be back. Okay, so they are out. I am... Get off me. Yeah, we're going to go this way. See, I've got one of these silicone tools, but I don't know. It's not as good as your nail, do you know what I mean? I was watching somebody's video and they said that oh dear, doing it with your nail is not, or doing it with your finger is not the best thing, because it heats it up and then you don't get a perfect, what's it, transfer. So, oh my god, I'm fucking this up, and I. Okay, let's just give it a rub with that. I haven't done foil for ages, as you can see. Oh dear. Really want to do it with my finger, but I'm not going to. So yeah, I nearly did it with my finger then. Well, that's fucking good, isn't it? Dear, fuck that. Okay, I will take that off. And I'll try again. Maybe I should just cut this, do you think? How hard is it to do bloody foil? is this not easy? What the fuck is wrong with me? I'm doing it with my plaster, okay? Not with my finger. Okay, that's a bit better, isn't it? So I'll just fill in them little bits, I guess, if it will let me. No. No. Okay, from far you can't see it. Yeah, you can. Well, that's freaking annoying. It's a shame that pink is not the same as that one. Or I would have, what do you call it? Where's the acetone? Hello? Oh. Right in front of me. It's a pretty foil, but just can't do it. Right, I'm going to start this one again. I'll do it off camera because I think the pressure is getting to me. Okay, that is as far, that's as good as I'm going to get that. Not happy, but it's what it is. Right, I'm going to stick some bling on it because everything looks beautiful with bling. I don't know where that must have dropped down. I've got another glue that's like in a pen. So I'm just going to use this, I guess. I'm just going to randomly put them on. I just finished these off camera. When I was doing these, I was like, shit, I didn't top coat it. So I had to sort of go around them all, which was pretty annoying. And then I just put some on the top of there. I don't know why I'm very shit at doing foils, but I think these are pretty. I like them. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please continue to take good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.